We're fishing at our local pond.
I'm fishing with this jig head and this curly tail. I'm just gonna fit. I'm gonna reel them slowly.
Let's show us it. Nice.
I'm fishing with a bobber and a curly tail. I'm fishing with a jig head and a swim bait. Yes, sir. And I won the challenge. Come down here.
Okay. Little rock bass, you know, not too big.
Now can it go to me and Luke?
Just a good size.
Now can it see who wins?
That's a game winner right there.
Okay.
Can we go see second?
Now should I stop it?
Yes.